Hello everyone, welcome back to Guide to Everything. In today's video, I'll show you on how you can create a dashboard in Wrike. So the first thing that you want to do is to simply open up your account here on Wrike, and once inside you want to focus mainly on the left hand side of the toolbox that we have right here. So first things first, head over to the space category. In here you will be able to see the tools section. Just click on the plus icon right beside tools, and then since we want to create a new dashboard, just click on dashboard. From here you basically have the ability to customize your own dashboard. In my case, I'm just going to select one of the most popular ones, which is going to be the my task option or preset. So from here, I then have the list of my tasks since I've selected this specific dashboard. Now to customize this, it is extremely simple. As you can see, we have this right here. Just go ahead and click on more, click on dashboards. And once inside this page, you then want to navigate through the dashboard that you want to customize. So if this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow Guide to Everything for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.